Om Namha Naranaya. The essence of spiritual practice in your life is to understand your awareness of divinity. The more heightened your awareness of divinity and the unseen realms, the more you will experience those magical moments which takes your breath away. Every practice in spirituality we do is not to reach somewhere, as there is no place to reach. There is no heaven, no hell that exists. It's all exists in our thoughts only. It all exists in our samaskaras only. Therefore, every practice that you do and is instructed upon by your Guru or mentioned in the yogic process is to shed off your karmic debris, the karmic patterns, the negative energies that you have accumulated by your karma, by your deeds. A number of past lives. These karmic patterns are subjected to good, bad, and worst, or Sattvic, Rajasik, or Tamasik in natures. These three gunas, Sattvic, Rajasik, and Tamasik, the constituent factors of the fruits or results of the various karma that you do. And these results are energies, either positive or negative, that ropes around your vital energy system or chakras and is carried forward in every life in the birth and death cycle. The spiritual processes, kriyas, that clean such debris and advance you towards next spiritual level, to attain, to realize, to merge with your infinite being. It's very much like how a lotus blossom, and we reach to the center of the lotus, parting each petal, and we find the nectar. But in terms of the infinite consciousness and existence, the infinite freedom, the nectar is never ending. It is infinite and always flows deep and deep. It is Satchidananda, and that is your Swarup as Shivoham or Shoham or Hamso. To completely realize and merge into the Supreme Being, to shed off all the three karmic gunas and be Trigunatit Nirguna. Only then the absolute perfection will manifest as absolute consciousness of existence. You being the light of divinity. Om Namha Naranaya.